Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Niculescu. You know me for a lot of automation with UiPath. Today we'll see how UiPath can use ChatGPT to answer to a lot of emails. I have here 10 emails and we'll see how we'll answer. To be able to answer to this one, I made here an workflow where UiPath will read the emails from my Outlook, and then we'll have a nice interface where we have also ChatGPT that can allow us to answer to the emails very fast. So this interface will have the email from subject, the email text, be able to reply to email, be able to save it as a draft, respond later from Outlook. We are able to mark as a spam. This one will not work because I don't want to put my emails from the spam, but it's very easy. Here is the reply text. Here you can answer with ChatGPT. Create a file with ChatGPT. Here you can create an Excel with ChatGPT. And here, remember, if I have a search on YouTube, I will use that search on YouTube to be able to generate some links. So first, I want to create so someone asked me how to create a union on a data table. To be able to do this one, I will use, so instead of writing all the stuff on ChatGPT, I will copy paste the prompt for the fast going of the movie. So basically, I will ask ChatGPT, give me a link example. So when I hit answer with ChatGPT, the system will go ask ChatGPT about the link, and this will provide me a link. So here he basically explained what is a link and how we do a union. And if I write here link and search on my YouTube, you will see that we'll also got a YouTube video. So basically, I will add this YouTube video to the Control-C, Control-V. So on the email, I want also this YouTube video where this link is explained. Yeah, so basically I have the answer from ChatGPT, and I have also a link from YouTube where I see you. And in this way, I respond to my colleague, and I will reply to my colleague with this answer done. Let's see the next one. So the next one, another colleague of mine asked me about how to extract from Salesforce the contact that start with letter A. Again, I will use ChatGPT, and I will use also I have here prompts just to be faster on the video. So what I write and say, write me a Salesforce SOQL to return the first name and phone number from contacts where. So ChatGPT was able to create this one. So you need to use this SOQL. Yeah, and again, I will send him also video cells. Okay, so I have also a video with this one, and I will say here you have a video how to use this. Yep, done. So I say reply. So I combined the advantage of ChatGPT with my database from YouTube. That's now what. So I need to schedule a process from 10 a.m. to on each day of the week. So to be able to do this, I will ask ChatGPT this stuff. Let's. So can you provide me a cron expression? Provide me a cron expression that starts with this one. And I have the answer. Done. So these are the easiest case where I answer with YouTube, answer with ChatGPT, and let's go to the another type of cases. Good. So this colleague of mine asked me about to create a junior developer request. to be able to create a general developer request, I will use again ChatGPT, but I will use it in a different way. So I will ask this one, and I will write a document. So I can put ChatGPT to answer to this question, and he will give me a list with the requirements. I will put the list of requirements on the document, and then I will attach the document to the Excel file. So first, the system will get the data from ChatGPT, and after he write the document, the word, it's a file document in my case. I'll write the file on the hard disk, and then the system will attach the files to the disk. So I answer to my colleague that the system with the file will be attached. Done. Next one. Can you tell me where I can get some files? So in this case, I will answer with the Excel. So basically, I will put I will put here ChatGPT to provide me a table with 10 rows, 10 rows, 3 columns with the headless ID, name, and age. And this system will create an Excel. Yeah. So ChatGPT will answer as a table. The UiPath system will be able to convert this table to Excel, write the Excel file, and after you write the Excel file, you will see that I have this this response created, and I also tell to my colleague that you can generate this one with ChatGPT, and here is the prompt that I use to generate this stuff. He did reply. Okay, let's see what else we have. I want to ask my manager for a rise. So in this case, I will provide this one to ChatGPT, and he will be able to create a template for me to ask to answer to my colleagues about this wage rise. Yeah. So here is the answer, and you need to change the name, company name, and so on. Yeah. Good. Your name. Go. No, let's go to another area. And here you can see that I have a spam. So go and mark the email as a spam. Then I have here here basically I have a meeting. So I will respond later from Outlook. Yeah. And here I will do something else. Please, so I can copy paste directly from here what Mirchat's asking. I will provide an answer with ChatGPT. But I will say here, you also have an attached document with all the answers. Yeah. And I will save as a draft. So he's not able to put the email, he will be able to save as a draft. Okay, and this is the last one. So here is very, very similar. So let's go and see the result. I will stop the robot, and we'll go and see the results. So let's see the results. If we go to Outlook, you see that I have an email on the drafts. So on drafts, I have this email. Remember when I answered to Mircea with a draft? So basically here I have to add the data. Let's analyze the answers. Here, remember that we have the answer where the system provide me generate a table. So here you have the table generated by ChatGPT and it's put on the Excel format. Then here you have the answer where we have the requirement for the junior developer with UiPath. So again, the file attached. Here we have the answer with data table with the link for the link. Here is the other one. Here we have the answer for the cron. And here you have the answer with the internship. So basically, in this way, with this interface, I was able to let's make this one unread. Okay, and show you again. So on this interface, I was able to answer to my emails using ChatGPT. So calling from UiPath Studio, calling ChatGPT in case of I want a raw answer, or I want files, I want to build Excel, or I want to search on my database on YouTube, and so on. So I have all the options to be able to reply to email, to save as a draft, to a small later thought in case of the meetings and other stuff, or report as a spam. Yeah, so with this answer, basically you are able to answer your emails using ChatGPT in a very nice way, and the power of UiPath robots to build other stuff. As usual, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment my videos and tell me what else you want to see inside of my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.